Okay, round and round she goes. So one rotation of the slower rear tire.
Okay, next up is experience Paul on the DX. Paul goes into a coma and spends 2 years in the future and writes down everything that he saw. Now this is episode 41.
Gives me almost 3/4 extra rotation on the front.
Storytelling, like first-person fiction, as opposed.
Alright, like 70% overdrive. Holy shit. I'm probably gonna twist my rear drive shaft in half. Well, right up that motherfucker.
The rocks are nice today, too.
Yeah.
Cool. Your tire ain't even dragging.
No.
Just rolling slow or nothing wrong with that.
That's
Might be the what?
That's a lot of fucking overdrive though. That's a lot of overdrive though. And you can see the front ones spinning sometimes.
Oh, big time.
The back ones are trying to hold them back, and the front ones are spinning on the rocks.
Actually doing 2-3 turns to one in the
Oh
back.
fuck.
If it works, fuck it.
Yeah, like I said, I'm not. If those gears work, then I'm not gonna miss the 10% overdrive if those gears work.
Oh, you can put different gears on?
I bought some reverse cut ring and pinion gears to put in the back end so I can flip the pinion over again, flip the third member over. And but I hear mixed reviews. Some people say they don't fit well, and which I'm not beyond fucking dremeling the inside to make it fit. So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens. They're 20 some odd bucks. They'll be here tomorrow or something. So this is actually driving pretty well the way it is. I don't see a.
I said it's working good. I
Yeah.
fuck with it. Sometimes I don't believe that you have to go with everybody says either.
I've only seen like 1 or 2 mullet rigs like this.
What's a mullet? Why do you call it a mullet rig?
Because I don't know, I didn't name it. Because it's a straight front axle and a portal rear. I guess because of portal rear, because they drop down, it's like your mullet in the back end would drop down, right? So here's a good test. See what it'll do this fucking climb with all that overdrive. Fuck. So you want to go over here and then go like this and go.
I do love rear steer though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking beautiful.
Oh, look at her. Right up.
You walked right up that. Fucking A. Right on, dude.
I don't know, man. Maybe I like 75% overdrive.
Never mind why if it works.
Look.
That thing ain't that long. I don't think this can make it up it.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know if I've ever tried it or not.
That's my long truck is as long as yours, and I can make it up there. Look how fast those front wheels are spinning.
I know.
Look, it's almost comical.
Oh well. As long as it works.
Yeah, yeah. I just wonder what kind of stress it's putting on the fucking back drivetrain all the time.